Okay guys, today we're opening this Disney Princess Play-Doh kit where it comes with a lot of fun things to make and grow Play-Doh Rapunzel hair.
Done.
Okay, should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so show us what we've got.
This.
Okay, so we've got some scissors.
This big princess.
Okay, it comes with Princess Rapunzel.
I don't need scissors. You help me?
I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me everything we pulled out.
You pull this out and this too.
Okay, so we have Play-Doh, we have yellow.
One there.
Okay, and what's this? Oh, that's cute. So it's kind of like a little comb, and then we also have this brush
Yeah.
that opens up.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we see how this works?
Yeah.
The instructions say to turn the crown and it will come off. Okay, and then I think we put the Play-Doh in here. Does that sound right? Okay, so what you do is you crank it all the way to the bottom. Okay, now we need to put Play-Doh in. Which color should we do?
This one.
We're gonna do the yellow Play-Doh.
Yellow. Break it like this, and then have to do it there.
Okay, so now stick the yellow Play-Doh in there. Just stick it inside. Good job.
Inside.
Uh-huh.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
And do like this, and like this. Okay, crank it down.
Wait. We gotta put it all in. We're gonna get the crown, and we gotta put the crown back on. Let's see, how do we do this? Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, now crank it the other way. So now move it up. Is this the right way?
Yeah.
Is it really, or is it going down? I think we go this way now. And that should make her hair grow.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's working. It's going, it's working. Okay, keep trying.
I want to see
See?
it.
And then keep going.
Okay,
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. Pretty cool. So the Pascal has like a little part of it that's braided when you roll, kind of like a pizza cutter.
Yeah.
So you can like
I wanna
roll
do
it. Okay, you try now. Okay, now we can try some fun things like cutting the hair and brushing it. So do you want to try cutting some, Kenzie? Like that. Yep, good job. Give her a haircut. Good. Now try some of this hair over here.
What?
Cut her hair.
Okay. I did. Yes, I did.
Wow. Okay, so and then inside the brush, we can also make a braid. So I'm going to take some of this hair that we just cut off and stick it in here. Let's see how it does. Okay, so we've kind of put a lot in there, and then we're going to close it. Oh my gosh, it's like squeezing out. Whoa, look at this braid.
I put in her hair.
Very cool. Okay, let's open up the pink Play-Doh.
Yeah. Pascal! Yes, Pascal!
Jewels up here, yeah?
Put this out. And then I have to cut it like this. And you will have to cut it like this. You have to cut it like this. And you have to cut it. These are scissors to cut her hair. And this you also have to open this one.
Oh, cute! It made like this little bow. That's so fun. And then we'll take off this extra Play-Doh.
It's a bow. No, don't take it
I
off.
love that. Okay, put that in her hair.
No,
That's
right?
really cute.
A bow right here.
Maybe we could do like a flower in this one. So we're
No,
gonna
I
put
wanna
it
do
in
it a
this
flower.
one.
Yeah.
Then you kind of have to like squish the Play-Doh in. Look how cute, it made a flower.
Yeah.
I love that. Okay, the last Play-Doh to open up is the purple.
Watch, it's purple.
Some more Play-Doh to kind of stick to it just to get it
I'll
out.
put it in her
Whoa!
hair. Well,
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked this toy, and stay tuned for more toy reviews. Thanks, bye.